Route 6A, Ellsworth, inbound from the YTC to the Walmart time point. From the stand here at the Ypsilanti Transit Center, and continue on Pearl. We will make a left turn at the stop sign, which is North Adams. Again, this is the inbound 6A, Ellsworth, from the YTC to the Walmart time point. At the traffic light is Michigan Avenue. We're gonna make a right turn. Continuing through the traffic lights, Hamilton. Gonna turn left at the traffic light. If we were doing the B, we would continue straight onto Congress. But we're doing an A, so we're gonna take the left here. Stop approaching. Continuing on Michigan Avenue. We're at First. This is a time point. Stop approaching. There is a stop approaching. Mansfield at the light. We want to continue on Michigan Avenue. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. At the traffic light is Ellsworth. We're going to make a right turn. Stop approaching. There is a stop approaching. At the stoplight is Hewitt Road. We will continue across the intersection. Continuing across Hewitt. Stop approaching. Coming up at our next stop is the Walmart stop at the traffic light. You'll see the blue line bus shelter. This concludes the inbound 6A, I'm sorry, from the YTC to the Walmart time point.